Hello, this is Coach Jay Heiler, Body Transformation Specialist, and this is a message to you, McDonald's. Now, I know you're a huge chain, so you probably will never see this video unless millions of people share this video, which I really hope happens. I'm going to help you be a change that hopefully you want to see in the world. Now, I am a fellow participant of the McDonald's Big Breakfast. I have it. If you were to kind of call me out on it, I might have it twice in a month, something like that. And it's usually when I'm out and about and I've already strength trained. It's always if I've strength trained. If I have not done that, I do not participate in this meal. But that's neither here nor there. This video is to help you, McDonald's, make better decisions for the world. Now, here's my big breakfast. I'm eating it right now on my lap. If you look in the bag, let me see if I can move this stuff out of the way. If you look in the bag, there is like all of this unnecessary, let me see, can you see this? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. It's all of this unnecessary stuff inside, right? All of those unnecessary extra calories, that's doing nobody any good. It's also you wasting money as a chain. So I'm going to help you save money and also save the world all in one. This is how we're going to do this. We're only going to give one butter, okay? We're going to cut that butter serving in half, okay? So instead of selling these massive butters, let me grab one. Let me see if I can feel one up. Instead of filling these massive things of butter, we're actually going to cut this serving in half. Okay? The next thing that we're going to do is we're not going to put so much darn syrup, okay? All of this extra syrup, right? We're not going to put 2 or 3 of them in a bag. All you need is one. What you're doing is you're encouraging someone to basically take the lot of it, because we as humans, our brains, they're so impacted by our feelings and our emotions. A lot of people are emotional eaters. People, they binge eat. They eat for all kinds of different reasons. Maybe they have a habit of drugs. Maybe they have a habit of alcohol, and alcohol makes them eat. Or maybe it's that they have stress in their lifestyle, stress in their business, stress at work, stress everywhere, and they basically eat because of that. So they are driven by their feelings and their emotions. So what you're doing is you are basically being an enabler for those people, McDonald's. What you need to do is just put one thing of the syrup in there, okay? One thing of the syrup in one bag, and that is gonna save many lives, because we know that the fructose corn syrup, that stuff is terrible for your body. It wreaks havoc on all of your body. It creates oxidation. It releases free radicals. It makes us age faster. It's not good for our digestion, and it was actually never made for our body. That overindulgence in sugar is horrible for us, and it's killing the world. So if you are trying to short the population and make us a smaller population, you're doing a great job. On top of that, everything else is decent. You have, a serving of protein here, and then you have another serving of the eggs, and then you have another carbohydrate serving here. But I don't agree with having the extra jam in there. You already have the syrup. Take away the jam, save the money, and what you're going to do with the jam is you're going to replace that jam with some berries. Now, I know, McDonald's, that you can afford this, okay? I know you can afford it. You're a big chain. Just take the extra leap and step to be the change that you want to see in the world. Don't just think about big business. Think about the people that you are affecting and the lives that you are affecting. Listen, people, if this video was helpful to you, make sure that you send this to everyone you know. Let's make this video go viral. If it doesn't, that's just you supporting something that's killing off the world. If it does, great. It's done what it was meant to do. If not, again, it's not going to hurt me. This is not for my fame. This is literally me just jumping out and raising my hand and saying, hey, you know, I'm a fellow human and I'm talking to big business here and we support the big business. I still go to McDonald's. I'm just saying, as someone who is in shape and who does live a healthy lifestyle, these are some things that can really help the world, because these illnesses are real. The things that people deal with are real, and if they don't have control over this situation, but they can only afford to go to McDonald's and not feed themselves healthfully because they don't have a coach, they haven't had someone explain how to do this, which it absolutely is affordable, mind you. If they don't understand how to do it, we're just killing off more people by giving them more tools to hurt themselves. So that's all I had to say. Coach Jay, I've talked too long anyway. Signing out. Just share this video like crazy, guys. Love you. God bless. Talk.